Hey, what's going on, guys? This is reaction therapy here, and my face is totaled, as you can tell, and that is the reason why I haven't been uploading videos in a while. Next couple of scenes coming up, you will see the disaster and the devastation of my face. It was a dog bite, and I hate it. That's why I haven't been uploading videos lately. What should I say?
Show love.
Well, if you want to show love, just comment down in the section below. Smash that like button for me for my face not ripping completely off, you know. I got 3 stitches in this one, and 1 stitch right here, 1 stitch right here, and a bandage right here. And also, I got about like 5 damn fucking needle shots. Anyways, if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter and show me love, go down in the description below. The links will be there. And until next time, this is Reaction Therapy with Big Clay, and I am out. That's not good for the video, baby.
Tell me what you want, bitch. Tell me don't stop. Tied up, no slack. Show sipping from the
Shit.